ally in their court battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Ben Armstrong, also known as BitBoy, said that Ripple and XRP could get a new key ally in their current legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. According to BitBoy, this big possible partner is Coinbase, which is the biggest exchange in the United States. As was already known, Paul Grewal and Stuart Alderete, who are respectively the chief legal officers of Ripple and Coinbase, recently said that they met. Even though we still don't know what was said at the meeting, both lawyers were happy to have met, and Grewal said that they should do it more often. Alderete also showed his appreciation by saying that Grewal had spent some time talking with Ripple's law team. This shows that the meeting wasn't just a chance meeting between the two lawyers, but it was a business deal involving Coinbase and Ripple. Even though we don't know much about the talks, there are rumors of a partnership among people who use XRP. BitBoy thinks that if Ripple and Coinbase work together, Coinbase could be a key partner for Ripple. Materialize. In his most recent tweet, Deaton said that to live in the hostile crypto environment in the US right now, the enemy of my enemy must become my friend. People like U.S. Congress candidate January Walker and attorney John Deaton have told the crypto community many times to work together and fight back against what they see as the SEC's overreach. Deaton was very happy that Alderete and Grewal were able to talk to each other recently. Remember that Coinbase sued the SEC last week, forcing the agency to clarify its rules for the cryptocurrency business. The move got people in the XRP community and the crypto scene more generally excited. It happened a few weeks after Coinbase got a Wells notice from the SEC in March. Notably, Stuart Alderete suggested that it might be good for both companies to work together soon after Coinbase confirmed that it had received the Wells notice. The enemy of my enemy is my friend, the lawyer said a day after the American exchange announced the Wells notice development. A week later, Grewal said on Twitter that he thought attorney Deaton was right about what an investment contract is. This shows that Coinbase agrees with the way Ripple is fighting the SEC. Remember that the exchange filed a brief on behalf of Ripple in November of last year? Because of these events and the recent meeting between Grewal and Alderete, rumors are going around about a partnership. Most people who want this to happen think it would be good for both Coinbase and the SEC, since both have had court problems with the SEC. Please remember to subscribe to our station and also to hit that bell to be the first person to know what's going on with XRP. Attorney Bill Morgan, who is a supporter of XRP, took to Twitter to debunk a rumor about the case between the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple. A lawyer who supports XRP, Bill Morgan, took to Twitter to debunk a rumor about the case between the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple. The CEO of CYPRX Superior Trading, Cyprus Demaninker, said in a tweet today that the SEC versus Ripple case was set up from the start. Demaninker said that the case was made up because Ripple was involved in some important crypto events. Demaninker says that some of the biggest names in the fintech business got together recently in California to discuss institutional adoption of digital assets. But Demaninker seemed surprised that Ripple's chairman, Chris Larsen, who is also a defendant in the SEC lawsuit, was named as one of the speakers at the event that ended on May 3, 2023. Caroline D. Pham, a commissioner of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, was also mentioned by the CEO of CYPRX Superior Trading as one of the event's guests. Demaninker also pointed out that Ripple was listed in the sample of attending companies section, along with other big fintech companies like MasterCard, R3, BlackRock, JP Morgan, Visa, Deutsche Bank, Citi, HSBC, Morgan Stanley, etc. XRP versus SEC lawsuit attend all of these things? Once more, new events form is always the most important thing. I like how Chris Larsen's name is at the top of the list of speakers. In response to this, Attorney Morgan said that he doesn't think the case was set up. As Demaninker has said, he said that Ripple is a big player in the crypto space and will always be a big part of getting institutions to use crypto assets, like XRP, even after the case is over. It's important to know that Attorney Morgan is one of the law experts who support Ripple. fight the Securities and Exchange Commission in court and win. This is not the first time Attorney Morgan has put an end to bad rumors about the biggest tech company in Silicon Valley. As was already said, lawyer Morgan made it clear that Ripple does not dump XRP on the market, as some critics have said. Morgan says that Ripple sells its XRP holdings to clients of the on-demand liquidity service, despite reports that the company usually dumps the coin on the market during its monthly token unlock. Now, the big question of the day, will there be a breakout soon? Please remember to subscribe to our station and also to hit that bell. To be the first person to know more about what's going on with XRP has been stuck in a wide range since the crash caused by the fall of Terra in May 2022. XRP. Since the crash caused by the fall of Terra in May 2022, XRP has been stuck in a wide range. For the past year, the asset has been trading between a low of 28 cents and a high of 55 cents, but it has had a hard time getting out of that range. A crypto analyst who goes by the name CryptoBull recently drew attention to this range by tweeting a picture of XRP prices over the past week. The only thing the analyst said was that XRP has been stuck in this band for more than a year, not setting a specific time for a breakout. But just 6 days ago, he pointed out that XRP would face strong resistance at 85 cents and said that once it broke through this resistance, the asset could rise above $1 on its next run. Notably, the current range of XRP started in the second week of May 2022, when the Terra environment collapsed. During that week, XRP fell by a huge 20.8% and hit a low of 33 cents. In the weeks that followed, XRP kept going down until it found support at 28 cents in mid-June. Even though XRP has had a number of comeback attempts sparked by market-wide rallies and good news in the Ripple versus SEC case, the bears have always fought back. Each time, it tries to stay above 55 cents in a stable way. On the other hand, XRP has kept using 28 cents as protection against more drops. The chart shows that XRP moved above this range the most during its most recent solo gain, which was caused by a rise in demand, especially in South Korean markets. On March 29th, the price of the asset went up to a high of 58 cents, but it met strong resistance, which sent it back down below 55 cents 3 days later. Analysts agree that XRP will finally break out of this range, but no one knows when that will happen. Notably, as reported by the Crypto Basic, well-known analyst Greg recently said that XRP could skyrocket by as much as 300% to 30,000% when its 100 MA hits the 200 MA and the 300 MA on a 2-day time frame. Greg said that this event could be the start of the XRP's next step of growth. Others have said that XRP could go up when the SEC case's governmental pressure is lifted. Guys, this video has come to an end. If you liked it, make sure to like the video, follow, and hit the bell to get notifications. This helps me a lot with how YouTube works. Also, by showing this movie to as many people as possible, you can help them learn just as much as you have. Let's tell everyone about this, guys. If you're a real fan of cryptocurrency, don't miss any of our posts. Talk to you tomorrow about